In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Shopify Theme Kit, a useful tool for managing your Shopify store theme efficiently. Let's begin at your Shopify homepage, the central hub of your online store. Here you'll find a variety of options and tabs. With your Shopify store open, direct your attention to the search icon at the top of the page and click on it. This opens up the search bar, a quick way to find features and settings within your Shopify admin. Now type in Theme Access. By doing this, Shopify will locate all the options related to theme settings. Once you click on Theme Access, you'll be taken to a dedicated page where you can customize and control your store's theme. This is also where you can invite collaborators, but today, our focus is installing the Shopify Theme Kit. Look for the section where installation options are provided. It should be marked clearly and usually labeled Install. Click on it to begin the installation. Shopify may prompt you with instructions or confirmations, so just follow along. Once done, you've successfully installed the Shopify Theme Kit. Now you'll be able to manage your store themes in a more dynamic and flexible way. If you want to try Shopify, check the link in the description below to register. You'll get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.